Hello guys, this is Narendra Harni and today we are going to discuss about the topic is named as artificial intelligence. And today I'm going to give you some overview, some insights, some good information. The people who want to learn the AI and want to do some programming related AI. So before starting, what exactly you guys have to follow and what exactly you guys have to understand about the AI because so far I'm working in AI and I've seen a lot more people getting trapped before starting on the AI. So just please be focused and understand what is exactly AI is. So here we will go ahead and we'll understand the artificial intelligence. So first question is, what is artificial intelligence? So when we start thinking about the AI, then if you are a techie, then what is the very first image comes in the mind that's very important. So this is nothing but when you think about something and the suppose we can take an example, the objects, and if you've seen some object before, then the image will be clear when you think about that object. Suppose you've seen a car, then if you think about that car, yes, the image definitely comes in the brain, and that will be a true image of it. But if you have not seen, if you have not faced the AI, if you have not used any AI machines, so that time maybe you will be getting in a trap to understand what exactly AI means. So just please be focused on listening to this topic because we have to be clear before starting anything with the artificial intelligence. For example, when we start learning the new technology, very first we should start as very beginners and we should adapt the technology step by step because if our imagination about the new technology is wrong, then it's a trap. Definitely, if you want to start the programming and if you not seen any code, programming related stuffs, then definitely you won't be able to give a good start for your learning. So because we have to adapt that technology step by step because if your imagination about the new technology is wrong, then that's the trap. So lots of techie and non-techie people falls when they start learning the AI. So please be clear about what you are learning, and it's important because it will make you learning step by step upward. And if you fall into the trap, then definitely you'll be losing somewhere that the way to go up in AI, it's difficult if your imagination about the AI is not correct. So before we start discussing about the AI, we should ask a question from ourselves, what is AI is? And if we found we have a correct understanding about the subject, then we can move forward and we can go deep into it. So the easy way to understand the AI is nothing in the context of human. Yeah. So maybe you guys are thinking right now that AI, where is the AI in human? Yeah, actually the origin of AI, the thinking, the knowledge, the concept based AI enabled systems definitely coming from the human. So I can example you guys in a simple way. The human can react in on the basis of the input or an action happens in real life. Yeah, definitely human gives a reaction on such kind of things. If anything happens, he'll react, she'll react. So this reaction is very important to understand what kind of reactions human can give. And human can give a different kind of reaction, like a different human gives a different reaction on a different inputs. So to understand the AI, we can take a simple functions of human speaking. Yes. human can speak, and this is the one of the most important feature of human body. The field of speaking, listening, and understanding the difference between languages comes under the speech recognition. Not exactly the difference between the language comes under the speech recognition, but actually this will be the part of speech recognition. But speaking and listening directly comes under the speech recognition. So actually, the speech recognition is not related to AI. It's a subject inside the AI. That speech recognition, which help you to do to design some ideas and some machines. So it helps. So this is the topic what we have to read. This is one of the topics. So here we go, and we understand a little more about the artificial intelligence. And the second question is, what are the domain where AI can be a part of? First, chatbot. Maybe in the daily life, you guys have seen a lot more mobile applications, web applications where you get the immediate chat supports in the right side corner, and mobile application also as well. So actually, the chatbots is AI enabled system. There won't be uh, any person sitting behind that assisting everyone in the application, but the application itself is the AI enabled and replying you on your queries. Now, human resource management. Yes, it's this domain can be AI fit. So because AI can come in this kind of domain, and I'm just listing down few domain. Okay, just listen. What are the domains where the AI can be a part of, so that we will get an idea that yeah, we can see the AI there. So now onward, after seeing this kind of domains, and if you face this kind of application in the real life, you can directly relate to AI concepts and you can go ahead and learn. Healthcare, definitely a healthcare system needs a AI actually. E-commerce, yeah, e-commerce, we can apply the AI. We can apply the AI in supply chain. Automotive, definitely automotive. The world is going to design, and they're working on all automotive manufacturer. First of all, I'll explain you automotive as the car industry, vehicle industry, and definitely the world is designing the autonomous car, the self-drive car. So definitely this is a AI enabled system, and this is anywhere. So why I'm listing down the domain anywhere, this anywhere is not specific field. Wherever machines comes into the picture to do the job, definitely it can be a part of AI enabled system. We can build a machine in any area which can be doing the AI related stuffs, artificial intelligence. So here we go next, and we'll see here. I'm listing a new name of domain where AI part of, and I listed anywhere there. So at the end, it means AI can be a part of a domain where machines and human uh, can interact. Okay. So for example, we know the human has a capability of reading and writing, and if we develop a system or machine which can do this job, nothing but AI enabled system. So, if machine can do reading and writing of the text, definitely it is an example of AI. The subject of reading and writing the text comes under the NLP. That's name is natural language processing. So natural language processing is the separate area, and it's a very big topic. So what are the difference between the languages, convert, understanding the sentences, text, phrases, and all this comes under the natural language processing. And natural language processing is the big subject in AI. Like this, we can understand the AI and where it can be a perfect to do the job which human can do. Definitely. For example, human can see and recognize the different types of object and can find the difference between the object, this area of the computer vision and object detection. So if human detects the object, means human sees the object, he can definitely makes the difference between both. Like, and coming to the conclusion, the overview of the definition of AI, then we can talk about the capability of human's brain. And as we know that human brain is only part of body that runs the whole human body, all the functions human brains do, all the sensitivity, uh, capability, learning, sensing, decision making, and understanding, the knowledge, feelings, even a part of functions of a human brain. So if we can make a systems which can do such things, not even the 100% accuracy, yes, any AI enabled system doesn't expect from you guys to program a 100% accurate AI enabled machine. Yes, accuracy can be less, accuracy can be 1%, but that's the AI enabled systems. And how we can accept it, because I'll show you in a few other slides or other sessions how the AI enabled system can be less than 100%, can be AI intelligence system. So example of AI enabled systems in a simple word, I just explain you this kind of capability of human. If we develop inside the machine, that's the AI enabled system. So what to proceed when you want to learn the AI? Yes, this is the very important question. Artificial intelligence is the bigger field actually, and definitely if we have a bigger problem, I always suggest my all of his students that break the problem first. Break the problem, solve the small parts. So here I'm just defining this AI into the two problem, like first is machine learning and second is the deep learning. So this is also itself a big problem. So we have to break its more part and then we have to choose something. So you are in the correct direction if you want to learn AI and you thinking to start the subject machine learning, then you like you are not in the trap. You are exactly in the correct directions to go to learn the AI. So artificial intelligence is not just a magic, it's two subjects are behind there, machine learning and the deep learning. Actually the subjects are responsible to do each and everything inside the AI, and few other topics like image processing, natural language processing, we required to develop any AI related machine. So goals of the AI, we should understand what we achieve if we do some AI stuffs. So the goals of the AI means, oh, what exactly we can achieve. So now the one and only goal of the AI is nothing but achieving a human intelligence in the machine. Simple word. So that the machine can behave or react smartly like a human and can learn reacting smartly from previous input data. So the day by day machine or AI enabled system learn and will increase the accuracy. So I just said a few minutes back that what is the accuracy? Accuracy means we have to do the machine learning on the basis of our data. Suppose we collect the detail of few patients in the healthcare system, and according to the previous data we can predict the disease in the current patients what we are treating. So actually this machine learning is nothing but all about what exactly our data is. How much our data will be vary, our accuracy will be increased, because we have to feed that data inside the machine to get an output, and machine will predict the output on the basis of analyzing that data itself. So definitely a machine learning is a first subject to start with the AI. If you want to achieve the goals of AI, you have to start with the machine learning first. So AI programming, yes. So actually, I'm not showing any of the programming, but what exactly you to choose before doing the AI programming. So I'm just listing down few languages which is required to do the programming inside the AI. So right now we have a several programming language which can support the AI programming, in those are listing down few of them. So first is Python. Yeah, it's a very lovely language, and I love it really. So second, the C++, second most powerful language in the world right now, and the highest performance this language can give. So I'm not just listing down the language on their famousity. These languages I'm just listing down for you guys to show that Java, Lips, and Prolog we can do the AI stuff. So it doesn't matter like what programming language you have to choose. Which one is easy? You should not ask this question because if you are a programmer and then you are thinking about the AI, then definitely one programming language if you know in all of these, then do the stuffs in that language. Don't go and learn any other language. If you want to learn AI, then language doesn't matter. The stuffs you can do in all of these language. It may be possible that some advantage and disadvantage of the languages comes into the picture, but it's quite okay to have the knowledge of the language first. So if we have a good knowledge of the language, we can have a good programming skills to apply on AI. So definitely choose the language in which you are expert in. So the doing the programming in the same language will be more good than uh, choosing a new language and learning. So maybe you will be wasting time to learn the language first and then, so and if you really a non-techie guy, then you want to do AI and wants to learn, then definitely I can suggest the Python, C++, Java are good language to do the AI related stuff. So about the application of the AI. So this will be definitely gonna give you a new idea about thinking about the applications. So this will give you a detail like this kind of applications in the real world can be a part of AI or can have a AI system in it. So yeah, self-driving car. I already listed down before in some of the domain, automotive domain, the self-driving car is the future actually, and this will be definitely needing a AI. Chatbots, yeah, I've given an example. Games, games can have the AI. NLP, yes, natural language processing, speech recognition, object pattern and recognition, intelligent robot, and yes. So these were all applications I listed down for the AI, and wherever you see those kind of applications, you can find out and check. Yeah, this is the AI example. So not all full applications will be showing you the AI stuffs, but the few feature of that application or the domain, like a self-driving car is not an application, but self-driving car is the car without the driver. Definitely it's not a magic. Someone has to drive the car, and that's the AI system's going to do for you. So this is how the AI can work in your life. So happy coding guys, happy learning, and bye bye.